from this evening to late Wednesday morning. What minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast? Where? Connecticut River at Montague.
Ooh.
When? From this evening to late Wednesday morning.
Connecticut River.
Impacts at 30.0 feet. Flooding of low-lying areas outside of levee protection is likely from Greenfield through Hatfield. Additional details at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The stage was 29.0 feet. Bankful stage is 28.0 feet. Recent activity. The maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday was 29.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 30.4 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 28.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 30.5 feet on January 11th, 1935. http://www.weather.gov/safety/.
That was cool.
Flood warning in effect from this morning.
All right. Finally got another flood warning since the last one I caught at 6 a.m. I'm keeping that on WXL37. Nice. Finally got a flood warning. Jeez. After so long. Well, I mean, the last flood warning I caught was at 6 a.m. And that was before I was getting ready for school, but finally got another one. Oh yeah, 502. I need to add that.